Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the watch in hand. Start now. Hold the watch fit 3 face down on the cloth so the back is visible, and locate the small quick-release pin on the strap lug. Press the pin inward with your fingernail or the plastic pry tool to compress the spring bar. This frees the strap. You need steady pressure, slow and controlled, because rushing can bend the pin. Once the pin is compressed, slide the strap gently out of the lug and keep the removed strap nearby. Now you remove the second strap end the same way. Compress its quick-release pin and ease it out. Take the replacement strap and position its pin into the lug slot on one side, keeping the exposed end compressed. Angle the strap so the exposed end lines up with the opposite lug hole, then release the pin so it snaps into place. Make sure you hear or feel the click. Once attached, repeat for the other side. Confirm both pins are seated by tugging gently. This prevents accidents. Finish by wearing the watch and checking comfort and alignment. You should feel a firm connection where each strap meets the lug. If a strap doesn't click, remove it and inspect the lug holes and spring bar for debris or bending. Clean with a soft cloth and retry. If the pin is damaged or the strap still won't lock, swap in another strap or contact service for a replacement spring bar. One troubleshooting tip. A light magnifier helps spot a bent pin. Replace it to avoid losing the watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.